Here's a suggestion for organizing and containing grief. Now, I know that sounds strange, but I know what grief is like. I've been through that. And what helped me to provide some structure in the midst of the chaos and disorder of grieving were some of the prayers in the Bible, such as the Psalms, but also books like Lamentations. Lamentations is 5 chapters of lament for the destruction of the city of Jerusalem, but they fit in many other situations as well. Now, what's fascinating is that the first 4 chapters of Lamentations are all highly structured laments. They're acrostics, meaning they're structured according to the successive letters of the Hebrew alphabet. Now, the reason this is helpful is because when you're caught in the chaos of grief, providing some kind of order, some kind of organization to grief is very helpful with your prayers. And so as you pray these prayers, which are all about the chaos of grief, it's also fenced in, it's also structured in these prayers. You find the language whereby you can cry out to God. Pour out your heart and your soul before Him. Lay before Him all of your pain, all of your agony, all of your confusion, and know that He hears you and He will be with you. So if you're grieving, try the Psalms of Lament or try Lamentations as prayers gifted to us by God by which we cry out to Him.